homeowner finally calls, the thing you've been waiting for, and you answer it like you're annoyed someone interrupted your day. Quick, hey, hello, background noise, and you have no energy. You sound busy and a little put out. And in about 3 seconds, before you've said one real word, they've already decided you're probably not the guy. Here's what most contractors miss. That phone call is the close starting, whether you feel ready or not. There's no warm-up. How you pick up sets the entire tone for everything after. A calm, friendly, thanks for calling, how can I help you today, does something powerful. It tells them they're in good hands before you've even said a single thing about your product, Windows. They relax and they trust you a little bit before you've earned it. Compared to that annoyed grunt, some guy, some skills, totally different first impression. The job can genuinely be won or lost in the first 5 seconds of saying hello. Slow down and pick up like you wanted the call, because you did. And same with your website. Treat your website as the first impression every customer will see.